Hello all, welcome to my channel Honey and Hussy Creations. Every time we are making the same genre of videos. So today we go into somewhat different genre which is so important for the engineering students. This is Python language. Now we will learn about the introduction to Python, which is a computer application. Python language is most powerful high-level object-oriented programming languages. It was developed to emphasize the code readability, for which it uses the English keywords very frequently. It is considered to be the most appropriate language for beginners due to its simple and clearly defined syntax. Now let's see the introduction. Python was conceptualized in the late 1980s and its implementation was started by Guido van Rossum in 1989 at CWI. It gained popularity and many new versions were introduced with more advanced features in it. It is an object-oriented language, which means that it lays more emphasis on the data rather than the procedures. Some of the features are easy to learn. It has few keywords, simple structures, and a clearly defined syntax. Interactive mode. It supports for an interactive mode which provides interactive testing and debugging of the code. Code simplicity. It is a very simple high-level language with vast library add-on modules. Portable. Python programs can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and have the same interface on all the platforms. Simple syntax is nothing but a simple programming which is done here. Free to use. It is free to use even for commercial products also. GUI program is nothing but this Python language is supporting the GUI applications that can be created and ported to many systems. Here are some of the code languages, coding programs, and now we see the applications of Python. Python is a popular and easy to learn language and can be used to build a website, develop a game, perform computer vision, do machine learning, enable robotics, perform web scraping, perform data analysis, automate a web browser, perform scripting, perform scientific computing. See some of the coding results which have made. Working in interactive mode. There are two types of mode here. Script mode is there and an interactive mode is also present. In the interactive mode, the commands are executed line by line, giving the output at the same time. To work in interactive mode, follow the process. Click on the start button, all programs, and Python 3.6, which is idle Python 3.6.5. It will open the Python shell where you will see the Python prompt. Type the commands next to a Python prompt and Python will immediately return the output when the enter key is pressed. Using print function. Print is a function which is used to display the sign specified content on the screen. The content to be displayed is specified within the parentheses. Print hello world will display hello world. That arrows are used to be given in the programming. See here, now we'll see script mode working. Python shell can be used into two ways, which is interactive and script mode, which is already told. Interactive mode, as the name suggests, that allows us to interact with the operating system. In an interactive mode, we cannot save the commands entered by the user. The output is also sandwiched between the commands and creates confusion when longer programs are designed. There is no code file created or saved that can be used for future reference. Here, solution to this problem is the script mode that enables us to create and edit Python source file. It is the normal mode where the scripted and finished files are run in the Python interpreter. Now let's see the working model of script mode. Create module or script or program file. Open idle Python, click on the file, new file in the idle Python shell. Alternatively, you can also press the Ctrl+N keys for the combination. Type the commands that you want to save as a program in the new window that opens. Click on the file, save and save the file with the name program1.py, where py is the file extension. Run model or module, which is a script or a program file. After the Python program file is created, you can run the program. Then open the idle Python shell, click on the file open, click on the run module or press F5 key. It will execute all the commands you have stored in the separate Python shell window. Now we will see operators in Python. Arithmetic operators, as the name implies, it is used to perform mathematical operations. Binary operators are, it works on two operands, which are classified into following ways. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So addition operator is used to return the sum of the values, and the subtraction operator is used to subtract the values. Multiplication operator is used to find the product of the data, while dividing, when use the division operator, it returns decimal or float value. To obtain an integer result during the division, we can use the floor division operator. To obtain the remainder, modulus operator is used. By using BODMAS rule, we can do operations in Python. BODMAS rule is applicable for mathematical experimental forms also. So now what is BODMAS? We know already, right? Brackets of divide, multiply and add and subtract. And this is the coding programs which are most probably made in the introduction of Python. This chapter is concluded by knowing the main parts of the Python. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel Honey and Hasi Creations.